We are at an inception point at Xref. We've now been profitable for the last 4 quarters. Our growth remains at 65% and above. We are seeing excellent demand from North America, and we are just about this year to launch our extended Xref platform. The employment sector globally is experiencing the largest migration of talent it's ever seen. We're rated #1 as a automated reference platform globally. We're partnered with the largest HR systems around the world. The barriers to entry for customers joining the platform is exceptionally low. It's very easy to get started, and our client retention over the 11 years we've been around is second to none. At Xref, we have a great foundation of clients. 20% of our revenue still comes from those clients that joined us in 2017. This allows us to have compound growth as clients that joined us years ago continuously use more and more of our technology and our service. If we weren't to add one more single client, we would still be able to grow our revenues. However, this year, you'll see us extend our services outside of the realms of pre-employment into pulse checks for employees and exit surveys for people that leave your business. This allows us to extend our platform and therefore open up our addressable market tenfold. During the pandemic in FY21, we were able to turn around $10 million losses from FY20 into a profit whilst still remaining to grow. We continue today to invest into growth, and with a very clear strategy, we can see revenues growing whilst remaining profitable. Xref has key revenue streams, the first being what we are known for, which is our prepaid credits from our native platform and from clients that use us via our channel partnerships. We also have growing revenues in our Xref Marketplace, which contain checks provided to us from vendors around the world, and also our own checks, such as Digital ID. This year, we will launch our subscription system, a 100% self-service platform that will service not just pre-employment, but also employment surveys within pulse checks and exit surveys. Our growing ARR will be a key metric for investors to be interested in, but also the way we communicate and execute our strategy this year will then echo in the step changes in our revenue.